Hi, my name's John. If you're here watching my videos, tap the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner. If you like my videos, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications for new videos. And at the end of the video, you can hit the icon in the center and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, got a little update on the Nanner for everybody. We've had her back from the chassis shop for a while. We ended up putting the motor out of the coupe, that car in it. That car's getting a new motor. Got the cold side done, almost into the air to water and into the throttle body. All this welding was done by this man right here, a young man named Tanner from Fab Monkey Metalworks. He's got a scan code on his card. He also did the hot side. Got these fire weld wheels on here. Got a 9-inch Ford, 456 gears. They both, the gears have been micro blued, micro polished. Right now we're just doing wiring. I got the main switch in today. I don't have the proper handle on it, but my boss wanted something to grab onto, so he's got a piece of all thread. Okay, that's on and it's off. And that's it for now. We'll see you in a day or two. It is Friday, so fixing to be time for me to go home.